The 2250 series is now certified with public road driving. Equipped with blinkers, back lamps and other lights, speed limit labels, and safety chains, it is possible to drive on public roads while in compliance with the law in Japan. By using the footstep and the temporary storage space of the net, it is possible to attach the net in a stable posture. Working is now relatively easier and safer than before. By adopting a gullwing cover, we have secured more space necessary for maintenance such as greasing and cleaning before and after work. The TCR series is equipped with 9 cutting blades for cutting feed such as grass. The number of blades can be adjusted as needed. The drop floor system automatically eliminates overloads, which significantly reduces grass clogging. By eliminating work interruptions, we can pursue highly efficient and stress-free work. The control box features a simple design. Manual, automatic, and fully automatic modes can be switched at the touch of a button, making it intuitive to operate without rushing, even while running. In fully automatic mode, the work from winding the net twine to opening and closing the gate is performed automatically, making work more efficient. In automatic mode, you can open and close the gate at your own timing, which is useful, for example, on inclined terrain. All you have to do is press the button to open the gate once. This allows for a smooth workflow. The IHI Agri-Tech medium-sized round baler TRB TCR 2250 series is easy for anyone to handle and provides smooth packing operations.